Typically the kinds of claims that media companies have to deal with, and are covered by media insurance, are claims for libel, slander, invasion of privacy, copyright infringement, violation of the right of publicity.
Well, certainly the core assets of MGM is our intellectual property, and we view media liability coverage as being an integral part of our corporate insurance program.
A lot of parties rely on the information we provide. Potentially, if we get that valuation incorrect, they make a loan that goes bad.
If you're going to be a news organization operating in the area of news gathering and reporting, you need to have insurance, whether or not you put out a print magazine like we do, or you just publish a website without any print component.
It's important to have a carrier that's really been in the space for 40 years, that can appreciate the trends that are happening and be one step ahead, so that the coverage ultimately will map out the direction of where the market's going.
We want somebody who's going to take the time to understand the business, provide some feedback on what the current exposures are that they see out in the markets that we're operating.
It's vital to have personnel on the underwriting side that completely understands the business that you're in and the recent changes that have happened in the industry.
Visits our website, reads our magazine, understands the risks associated with our business, and can talk knowledgeably about them.
The MediaGuard policy focuses on having definitions that are constantly reviewed, which is one of the reasons we're releasing a new product.
We've taken what was great in 1998, carried it forward, and expanded it further with new terms and conditions that meet the needs of our media customers.
So now it's consolidated, handled by the same people. You know, the interpretation is going to be very consistent and very clear from a customer standpoint.
It actually breaks it down into 4 different insuring clauses that you have choices over. The first is news media and multimedia. Second clause has to do with covered subpoena. The third clause is specific to producers E&O, so it's the video and film business. It could be a major motion picture, it could be something as small as a documentary, it could be blanket business that has a whole variety of coverages across the way. And the last clause is internet liability.
You know, with the growth of the internet, it's now the whole world is a potential viewer of our clients' content, and you need an insurance policy that's designed to be able to address that.
Our ability to work locally with deep expertise from an underwriting and claims standpoint with our agents, with our brokers, and face-to-face with our customers, we think gives us a distinct and sustainable competitive advantage.
Chubb has certainly always been willing to work with us and make sure that the policy and the coverage fit what our core business was.
Chubb seems to rely heavily on what the insured wants to do about the claim.
The thought that's been given to our claims by the various adjusters has been reassuring.
Chubb people are well informed. We find them to be very approachable.
Chubb's responsiveness has been always at the highest level.
We look to find coverage. We handle things in a good faith manner with integrity, with people that are experts at what they do, and make customers happy at the end of the day by being there for them when it matters most.